Meaning of fetlock.
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 Fetlock. The fetlock is the joint between the cannon bone and the pastern of a horse's leg, equivalent to an ankle in humans. It is also sometimes referred to as the ankle or ankle joint of the horse. The fetlock joint is prone to injury, particularly in racehorses and other high-performance equine athletes. Injuries to the fetlock can range from minor strains and sprains to more serious fractures and ligament tears that may require surgery. Proper care and maintenance of the fetlock joint is essential for keeping horses healthy and sound.